Hello guys, today we're going to do foot pack opening. So yeah, let's get into the video. And go subscribe to BCAT because he wanted me to do this. So yeah, subscribe to him while you're at it. And as you can see, we just got Hazard. Yep, first pack. Yeah, I'm gonna show you my cards. Wait, let me just see who else I got. None of them are really good except from Hazard. So okay, so let's show you what cards I got. I should have 3 Ronaldos. Wait, yeah, so I got this Ronaldo, the Inform, 93 pace, 93 shoot, 83 pace, no, pass, 92 dribbling, 33 defence, 82 physical. This one's just it's about the same. Or Dani Alves, 95 pace, just above Cristiano Ronaldo. And as you can see, he's team of the season, I think it is. No, team of the year. And that's a team of the season. Golden, I think it is anyway. And I got a legend, and I got another legend. So, and I got Diego Costa. I think, nah, it's not a record breaker, is it? Nah. I don't know which one's a record breaker. 3 of those, as you can see. Vardy, Martial. Lots really, so. As you can see, there's 2,502 cards you have to collect. So I'm going to keep opening packs. Nope, none-rare. And then we got up, so that's another one to add. And Dos Santos, 71 pace. Another decent Westwood for Aston Villa. Right. I think that's, I thought I was someone for a second. It's whatever his name is, I don't know, really. So, wait, what? Was that the same guy? Yeah, that was the same guy. No, we don't need him. Nothing good in that pack. I don't know how to can't speak, man. Jesus Christ. Yeah. And how much weight? 54, 89, 72 pay. That looks like Prosper in my class. Swear down. Looks like him. But without the hair. No, without the hair. Don't need him. Well, we do need him for... don't matter. Wait, we need, like, players in it. Decent, but I want a freaking, like, I want the fireworks to go off in that. And this would definitely, wow. Bastard. 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 And we see we got an inform. That's the fireworks I wanted to go off. Nope, I don't want him. Even though he sends to my card collection. Dele Alli, thought so. Nope, forget this pack. So that name pronounces look like. Oh my god! Oh my god! I got a legend. Oh my god! See, I'm not hacking, bruv. This is legit. Legit real. We got Welbeck with him. Welbeck. We got. What else have we got? And we got. Nah, trust me. He looks like a teenager. He's probably is swimming for, it's like probably 17 or something. Wallabies, there we go. Already got him. So I don't really care. I need a blue. I need a blue. I need a team of the year. Team of the season. I don't give a crap. The reason why I'm listening and whispering is because it's late. Not that late. It's probably about 8:30, so it's not really late. But okay, he looks like Danny Alves, I swear down. It's freaking who else have we got? A Skittlehead. Already got him. Jesus, man. Where did we go? Oh, I thought that was Pepe. Dun 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 dun. Your mom. Wait. Stupid little idiot. And we need. Oh, wow. He's old, fam. He's from LA, bruv. He's not from LA. He plays for LA Galaxy because they're old, freaking old people. Like, Steven Gerrard's about 37, 36. I think something like that. And he's played for LA Galaxy. Don't you fall slowly. Ooh. Kick. I don't know how to spell it. Kick or something like that. I don't know. Butland. I've heard rumours about him. He's like, I think he plays freaking boss in goal. Like, he's sick in goal. But I don't know if that's true. PSV Zoid. Ooh. Nope. Where's the good players at, man? Right, I'm gonna do 5 more packs, then I'm ending it, okay? So, hopefully I get something good. Hopefully, actually I do 10 more packs. 9 more packs remaining. Come on. 8 more packs remaining. 7 packs remaining. Nothing yet. 6 packs remaining. This freaking is annoying, man. Oh, 5 packs remaining. It's not good, guys, not good. It's not good, guys, not good. It's not good, guys, not good. Nope, 4 packs remaining. I think it's 4 anyway, I'm miscounted. 3 packs remaining. Ooh. 2 packs remaining. I think I said 2. I'm dumb, I swear to God. I've got a bad memory. Okay, last pack. Wait, no, it's not the last pack. Now it's the last pack. Oh. Nope, not good. Even though the fireworks come out. Okay, let me just do last pack to end it. Oh! Guys, imagine that was pizza. Right. Okay, I'll keep doing this Okay. Okay, this is the end of the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and comment below what you want me to do next, and peace. crap. Okay, bye.